During this COVID pandemic, one thing that continues to unite us is home-cooked, nutritious food. And Indonesian food in all its glory is sheer comfort food. Across the archipelago, from Sabang to Merauke, from west to east, the extreme variety and diversity never ceases to amaze me. This year, the Ubud Food Festival is back, bigger, brighter and more brilliant than ever. Our theme is heroes and acknowledges those culinary folk, young and old, who are devoted to their heritage, to mothers and grandmothers who work tirelessly to nourish their loved ones, to chefs and culinary storytellers who are devoted to their craft, to food producers and farmers, and to the young, bold, new breed of COVID foodpreneurs who are taking traditions to whole new heights. Our 3-day program includes long table lunches, 5-star dinners, masterclasses, workshops, discussions, book launches and walking tours, and nighttime dazzles with films, live music and street food. There's coffee, chocolate, coconut sugar, heritage rice, seaweed, arak and superfoods. We're back. Ubud is back. So be prepared for an extraordinary feast. We promise it will be like nothing you have ever experienced before.